Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am here to show you what I'm going to be working on this coming week. And this is a design team project for Silver and Sparkles featuring the Garden Whispers collection. I've done some work already, so I'll show you what I've done so far and what I will be working on as I continue, and also my idea for a project. So again, this is a design team project for Silver and Sparkles. This is a paid promotion in that I get the digital images for free, and then I'm able to print them out to use to make the projects. So if you haven't been to my channel before, I am Kathy Lee. I am a tutor for an education program. I do work full-time plus, and we are just really getting in full swing with my busy season. So I will do my best to do videos as I am able, but I may slow down for the next couple of months as I get busier and busier with work. So let's show you what I've done so far, and then what I have yet to do, and then what I think I'm going to do with all of this when I get it ready. So far I have done a bunch of fussy cutting. So I'm going to put these aside over here and just start laying out some of these fun images that I have cut. And most of these I printed on double-sided paper so that if I want to tuck them, these ones I'll probably layer, but I still printed them on double-sided paper. There are hundreds and hundreds of fussy cuts. I'm sure at least 100, probably 200. But I'm just gonna throw some of these out here. This kit has ephemera, it has background pages, it has pages, it has all sorts of stuff. These are mainly the embellishments. I'm just going to start kind of stacking them here because there are a bunch. I don't even know how many sheets I cut. I probably cut like 3 sheets of this so far. And you can see there are just oodles and oodles and oodles of wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. Look at those colors. Take time to make your soul happy. Ooh, I like that one. I like all of them. Let's not fool ourselves. Collect beautiful moments. Just amazing, amazing images, ephemera. Got some little postcards, more tickets, the little things, made with love. Just some little embellishment pieces. I love this little lace piece. There are just so many things here, and this is just a small portion, but these are some of the fussy cuts I got done. Then this looks like something you could fold. Not sure. I just printed that on one of the background pages. Got that. Then I've got some pockets here. Some more pockets. And then there's this file folder. And I think this maybe is to go behind this, so that, I don't know, not sure. I printed this wrong. I printed a page on back of a page, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this for sure, but that was part of it. Love this. And this. I would like a page of just those. And then some recipe cards. A library card. Library checkout card, I should say. More bingo cards. Okay, now that seems like a lot, right? And then tag. Tons of tags. I think this is going to be enough for more than one project, but the project I picked is rather large. These I accidentally printed on regular paper, so I think I'll make these little booklets out of them. Little flip books or something, I'm not sure yet. But I printed them on paper instead of cardstock somehow, so I'm going to do something with them, and maybe I'll make them into a booklet. Another cute little flower. And then there was 2 pages of these that I cut out with these nice sayings. And in order to use them, because I want to use the whole thing, and they are probably 7 inches wide, so I'm going to have to use a big project, and I was trying to think of what to do, and I'll show you in a little bit what I decided I'm going to make my project out of, I think, if it'll work. It may not work, but I'm sure going to try. So there's a whole bunch of those. Okay, and then I also took the images I printed on paper and cut the white part off the edge. So these are all two-sided. And so this will probably be, I was going to do a folio, but I don't think I'm going to do a folio this time. Oh, these are upside down, so I'm definitely not doing a folio. They didn't move right in my, well, these ones will be fine because they're just, nope, they won't be. Dang. Okay, so if you watched my videos before and recent ones, you'll know I just got a new printer, and evidently I did not put them in right. But still, this is very usable because I can always just use one side. Got some blank pages. Got this here. So gorgeous, gorgeous images. Those are some of the sheets I printed on just regular paper. And then these are some of the other pages, and I don't think I printed all the pages, but I don't think I did. So then I have more cardstock pages, more tags, just pockets, ephemera, all sorts of stuff there. More fussy cuts, more of those word strips, or saying strips. And then these are what I printed on sticker sheets. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know I usually print the stamps and such on sticker paper. So, aren't those gorgeous? And here's some more. And here's some more. And then these, look at all those wonderful words. Tiny treasures, little joys, garden notes, wildflowers, nature's rhythm, simple things. I mean, these are amazing. And what I don't use of these in this project, I'm going to put in some little containers so I have them available for other projects. And then check out these numbers. These would be great. I may even sneak some of these into my planner. Maybe. They'd be pretty awesome. And then I have more fussy cuts. And more. This is I think this might have been, I don't remember if this was a freebie or if this was an ephemera. I will put the links to the shop so you can see for yourself. But look at those images. Aren't they just amazing? I just love it. So, I have a lot of work left to do to get ready for the project. But let me show you what I found when I was doing some organizing in one of my spare rooms. And I found this thing, and I don't know what it was inside of or what packaging it was, because I think it was recent, but I don't know. So I found this, and I wrote the measurements on here. I found this. Look, it's corrugated cardboard, and isn't it an album? I mean, it was probably inside of something that needed to stay together. Could have maybe been a bag. I have no idea. But look at it. Is this not going to be an awesome base for a great big huge mini album? Not so mini album maybe? So, leave a comment. What do you think? Is this going to be something that I can make work? I'm probably going to have to cover it in something other than paper. And I'm sure I have some fabrics that I can do with this stuff. I just don't know. I just saw this and I thought, oh, I can make something with that, right? I'm sure I can. And I'm sure I want to use these amazing, because look at how many pages there are. How many things there are. I mean, the papers that I cut the wrong way, or that I printed the wrong way, those will be extras, and I could print them again. And I wonder if I could enlarge them onto my 11 by 14 paper. I don't think I'll need to, because I think if I cover this, and then I'll have a nice border on my pages. I have to decide what type of spine I want to use. It'll probably just be a valley and mountain fold spine. So I don't know. I think that's what I'm going to do. And again, this is... Okay, it'll be a while before I get started on this part of it, because I have a lot more fussy cutting to do. And I'm going to get busy on that in the next day or two, and I'll come back and give you an update on that, and maybe tell you what I've decided to do with that base. So, do you think this was an awesome find? I truly think it was, because like I could take corrugated cardboard and do this with it, but it was already done for me, right? It's like it was meant to be. I don't know. Anyway, this is Kathi Lee Crafting with Kathi Lee. Come back again. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe, and that way you will get notifications. And then, although somebody said Facebook or YouTube isn't sending out notifications to new videos that you subscribe to their channels, I do not know if that's true. It might have been clickbait, and I didn't click, so I don't know if it was true or not. But I've got a lot of work to do, and again, this is the Garden Whispers collection from SilverandSparkles, and I'm going to have fun, but it is going to be a lot of work. I'm tempted to cut this down, but that would defeat the purpose of using this found trash to treasure, right? So, come back again soon. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and share this video. And please, leave a comment and tell me, what do you think of my find? Let me know. Have a great day, night, afternoon, whatever it is where you're at. And come back again soon. This is Kathi Lee saying happy crafting.